Put a roll of toilet paper in the fridge. You will thank me. That ordinary roll of toilet paper you typically place in your bathroom may have another surprisingly useful job, but this time in the refrigerator. Before you laugh or completely dismiss this, hear me out. Open your fridge and take a quick look around. Do you see condensation on a shelf? Damp produce bags? Vegetables that lose their crispness too quickly? Or a strange mixture of onion, cheese, leftovers, and yesterday's dinner every time you open the door? Those problems often have one thing in common: excess moisture and trapped food odors. And that is where a fresh roll of toilet paper may help. Toilet paper is made from layers of porous cellulose fibers. Those tiny fibers are designed to pull in moisture. Inside the refrigerator, the roll can absorb a small amount of humidity from the surrounding air and catch some of the airborne compounds responsible for unpleasant smells. Think of it as a simple, passive moisture and odor catcher that works quietly in the background. This can be especially helpful in a crowded refrigerator where air circulation is limited. Moisture enters every time the door opens, and warm room air meets the cold interior. It can also come from washed produce that was stored while still wet, uncovered leftovers, or containers that have not cooled completely. Over time, that dampness can collect on shelves, inside produce drawers, and around food packaging. By absorbing some of that moisture, the toilet paper roll may help the refrigerator feel less damp. That does not mean it will magically rescue spoiled food or keep vegetables fresh forever. But reducing excess surface moisture may help create a cleaner, less musty environment. The same roll may also soften mild food odors. Strong-smelling foods release odor molecules into the air, especially when they are not sealed properly. The many layers and open spaces within the roll give some of those molecules a place to settle. You may notice that the refrigerator smells fresher when you open it. Here's how to try the trick safely. Start with a completely new, plain, unscented roll taken directly from its plastic packaging. Never move a roll from the bathroom into the refrigerator. Even if it looks clean, bathroom air can expose it to moisture, sprays, and germs that you do not want near food. You know what I mean. Place the fresh roll upright in a back corner or on an open section of a shelf. Keep it away from raw meat, leaking containers, and anything wet. Do not squeeze it between large items because air needs to move around the roll. Setting it on a clean saucer or shallow lid can also protect it from accidental spills. Check it every few days. If the paper feels damp, soft, stained, or begins to smell, throw it away immediately. Otherwise, replace it with a fresh roll after about 2 to 3 weeks. It also goes without saying, never put the used roll back in the bathroom or use it for anything else. There are also a few important limits. A toilet paper roll cannot fix a leaking refrigerator, a damaged door seal, spoiled food, or an appliance that is not cold enough. Your fridge should remain at 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 degrees Celsius, or below. If the bad smell persists, remove expired food. Wash the shelves and drawers, and ensure leftovers and strong-smelling foods are stored in tightly sealed containers. For stronger odor control, an open container of baking soda or activated charcoal will usually last longer. But if you already have an extra roll in a sealed package, this is an easy experiment that costs almost nothing. So, the next time your fridge feels damp or smells like everything inside it all at once, place a fresh roll of toilet paper in the back corner and check the difference. It may look strange, but sometimes the simplest household items have the most unexpected uses. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this unusual household trick, leave a comment, like the video, and share it with someone who loves practical home hacks. Also, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more clever ideas.